guys, I'm Nervans Christian. We're about to play higher or lower in my Android phone. First, we have a first question: UFO or Burberry? I think UFO is the highest. Lower. No. Okay, Parkinson diseases or granola? Granola, higher. Yes. Ebola or granola? Rhyme. Ebola, granola. Ebola, granola. Higher is the Ebola. Yay. Ebola or find my phone? Find my phone. Oh. So find my phone is the highest, sure. Yeah. Find my phone luxury hotels. I think 50 or 50,000. Mine is very lower. It's lower. I know, at least it's luxury hotel. Meditation. Higher your meditation. Higher the meditation is children in need. Meditation children need. Children. No. Oh my god. Okay. Let's close. Ayers rock or sailing? Sailing. Yes. German Shepherd or sailing? German Shepherd. Dogs. Yeah. Conspiracy theories. German Shepherd. Lower conspiracy siguro. Yeah. Family tree or conservatory? Family tree. Family tree. Yeah. Again. Family tree. Emoji. Yes. The emoji has the highest points. I know. Google has the highest points in this game. Victoria Falls or emoji? Lower. Yeah. Coachella Festival of Victoria Falls. Coachella Festival. Oh my god. I lose. Anti-aging or Botox? I think higher than anti-aging. Again. Moscow Mule or Best Diets? Best Diets. Wrong. Play again. Psoriasis or Beagle? Beagle lower. Oh, that was the exact point. KKK has higher points. Yeah. Blackfish or KKK? Lower. The Blackfish is only 20 plus. I don't know. 135. Blackfish or Russia? Russia. Of course. Yeah. Seawood is lower. Yeah. Another chain. Higher. 5. Play again. What is Popeye? Peru or Popeye? Lower, I think. What is Popeye? Please leave a comment below. What is a Popeye? Diabetes or Dominican Republic? Lower. Yeah. Dominican Republic or Converse? Higher. 2 million to. 2 million. Converse or homelessness? Lower. Yee. Friends are homeless than friends. Oh, I think now that friends are together. Blood Moon, Lois. Yay. Highest. Yeah. Quran, Lois. Lower. Yeah. Laser hair removed. Lower. Yeah. Oh, we were good. United States. Higher. Higher, please be higher. Yes. One more. Maldives. Oh my, this is the hardest. Maldives. Higher, I think. Yay! We got 10! Maldives of Vietnam War. Lower. This is lower. Yeah. Vietnam War or football results. Football results. I like football. Virtual gambling. Lower. Boo gambling. Gambling is not right for children. It is inappropriate for us. Harassment or gambling. Harassment. Think. Yeah. Harassment. New York. Ooh. State surveillance or Newark. State surveillance. Only 140. That was the lowest I see. FGM. Female genitalia. I don't know what is M, so I think female genitalia. Higher. Always. FGM or Yosemite National Park. Yosemite. Yeah. Converse. Yeah. Ayers Rock. Lower. Ayers Rock is so lower. Sige, lower. Maldives is higher. Solar system higher. Oh my. At least we got 21 points. So that's it for today. That is the time for playing higher or lower game. Thank you. Bye.